Welcome to NeoEnglish, the podcast that helps you learn practical English fast. Today, we have some exciting tech news to discuss.
That's right. We're talking about a new product from Ikea, a temperature and humidity sensor. Sounds interesting, right?
Yes, but before we jump in, let's break that down. A sensor is a device that detects and measures something, like temperature or movement. For example, a smoke detector has a sensor to detect fire. Another example is a motion sensor that turns on lights when someone walks in.
Good examples. Now, what is temperature and humidity? Temperature is how hot or cold something is, like when you check the weather and see 25 degrees Celsius. Humidity is the amount of water in the air. When it's very humid, the air feels wet and sticky, like on a rainy day.
Right. Now, IKEA has registered this sensor with the FCC, which stands for the Federal Communications Commission. This is a U.S. government agency that checks if electronic devices are safe and follow the rules. When a company registers a product, it tells the government that the product exists and is ready for approval.
And this sensor has something special. It supports matter over thread. These might sound like complex words, but let's break them down. Matter is a new smart home technology. It makes smart devices like lights and sensors work together easily, even if they are from different brands.
And Thread is a type of wireless network that helps smart devices connect quickly and securely. Imagine you have smart lights, a smart doorbell, and a smart thermostat. With Thread, they communicate with each other smoothly without using Wi-Fi.
That means IKEA's new sensor will work well with other smart home gadgets. If you have a smart home system, this sensor can help control the indoor climate by adjusting heating or cooling.
Yes, IKEA naming the sensor Timmerflot fits their style. They often use Swedish names for their products. Though the name may be hard to say, the main idea is simple, measuring temperature and humidity.
Before we wrap up, let's review the key words and phrases we learned today. Sensor is a device that detects something, like temperature. Temperature means how hot or cold something is. Humidity means the moisture in the air.
We also talked about FCC, the U.S. agency that approves electronic devices. Matter is the technology that makes smart home devices work together, and Thread is the network that connects them.
Finally, what's the story again in simple words? IKEA made a smart sensor that measures temperature and humidity. It connects using a new technology called matter over thread, which makes smart home devices work better together. The US government is checking if the product meets all rules before it can be sold.
That's all for today. Hopefully, you learned some useful English while hearing about exciting tech news.
Thanks for listening. Have a great day.